Hello fellow developers. Today I'm going over the documentation tool. What developer loves writing documentation? So this will make our life a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and first look at the help documentation. So please go here and look at the other flags. We are going to go ahead and dive in to the PR and put in our docs and add the doc style as JavaDoc, and I'm going to comment on that. Now we'll look for the eyeballs to see that Qodo merge received our request and it's going to start working. It identified the two components in our merge request. One's a joke handler and the other one's a security error. And we'll just take a look at the joke handler and see that this is the JavaDoc for that class. And I called it said to use JavaDoc. And here's the security error too. So you can see that it gave different doc strings for that one too. Great. Thank you and happy coding with Qodo.